Hello everyone, welcome to Naresh IT channel. As a part of Hacker programs all in one, today we'll try to see one problem and solution, right? Read a given string, change a character at given index and then print the modified string, okay? So I'll try to repeat this problem again. Read a given string and change the character at given index and then print modified string. So how can we do this, okay? Generally a string in Python is a immutable, okay, means once you create a string object you cannot do any changes, right? You cannot assign values or you cannot change the character at given index, no, because it doesn't allow assignment because it is immutable. So what is the meaning of immutable is once the object is created you cannot change the state, that you can call it as immutable. Then how can I replace the character within the string? But there are different solutions for this, but I try to take one solution, right? So what we are doing in this is we try to convert a string into a list, okay? A string is iterable, okay, which contain number of characters, and I try to convert this string into a list. So what will happen when you convert a string into a list? It will store each character as one element. Each character has one element or item within the list. So that is again called as one string, right? For example, if the string is NIT, okay, then if I convert that NIT into a list, okay, the list contain 4 characters, that is N is one item, I is one item and T is what? Another item. Then I try to replace after conversion, and then the list again converted back into what? A string. Now we'll see how this thing is done programmatically, okay? So let us see how to write a program for this. Okay, so first what I am doing is I am trying to take one string and this is input string, right? So I am just writing here input, I am writing here input any string. So input any string, input any string. So after reading the string I need to read the character to replace. Now this is replace character, input replace character. I just write input replace character. Then after that I need to read the index, but whereas index is integer, then I use a function called int. So I just write integer of input index, because input is a function which read always string, so I try to convert that into integer. So after that I need to convert this string into a list. I am saying list1 equal to list of, I just write here str1. So it means I converted a string into what? A list. After converting string into a list, I replace the item within the list, and here item is nothing but one character. I just write here list1 of index, list1 of index equal to the character. After replacing the character within the list, I need to convert this list again back to what? String. But you don't have any function to convert the list back to what? A string. But we write a simple logic to convert that list into a string. I take one empty string, to this empty string I try to join all the characters from the list by saying list1, and after that I try to print string 1, which is called as original string, and I try to print another string, that is replace string or modified string, that is nothing but str2. So after that now we'll try to run this program. So once I run this program, now it's asking to input any string. The string is NIT. I want to replace one character. I want to replace I with O. Then input replace character is O, and I want to replace I, right? So the index of I is 1. So once you run this, now NIT is the original string and modified string is what? NOT. Okay, this is one solution to replace a character within the string. But there are different approaches for replacing this, but this is one solution. If you have more solutions, just put in a comments, right? Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe Naresh IT channel.